So exactly what is a side hustle? Well, a side hustle is a side business. Often you may have heard of the gig economy. A side hustle is a business you do outside of your regular full-time job. Or maybe you don't have a full-time job, but you want to start sort of a side business, and it can lead to a full-time business, but it starts as kind of a side business, a side hustle. Examples: Airbnb hosting, Uber, SniffSpot, what else? I don't know. Those are some of the famous ones that I know. So anything that you can start in your spare time and make it a business can be a side hustle.